Hi everyone, my name is Vandana Malhotra. Welcome to my channel Know the New. Today we will study what are loops and how many types of loops are there in Python. First of all, loop means to execute a same code repeatedly. For example, if I need to write counting from 1 to 100 or say 1 to 20, then I have to write it in print function like print 1 slash n, 2 slash n, 3 slash n, 4 slash n. Here slash n is new line character, or you can say we use it for next line. So that cursor is in the next line. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 separate lines like this 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can use another method also in which we can write it as print 1, and we can use a different print for printing 2, and again we can use a third print for printing 3, similarly so on. So this is also a complex method because we have to write print again and again. How many times? Like if we need to write 1 to 20, then we have to write print function 20 times. So to avoid this repetition, what we can do, we can use loops. There are two types of loops in Python. First is while loop and second is for loop. In this program or in this video, I will teach you how to use while loop. So to start with, there are 3 steps in while loop. First is initialization, second is condition, and third is incrementation. What is initialization? Initialization means initial point. We have to specify an initial point. For example, if I need to print counting from 1 to 20, then 1 is my initial point. So to specify my initial point, what I will write I is equal to 1. I is a variable in which I have added initial point. Now we have to write while, and in the while part, I can mention my condition. For example, here I am printing counting from 1 to 20. So 20 is my condition, or you can say 20 is my endpoint. So I will keep running this loop till I is less than equal to 20, like this, colon. And now I will add some indentation and write my statement that I need to repeat. For example, in this case, I need to print the counting. So I will print I. And after that, last part of the loop is incrementation. Incrementation means I have to increment our initial point. For example, if I have set I is equal to 1, then we need to set it at 2 after 1. Then we need to set it at 3 after 2. Then we need to set it at 4 after 3. Similarly, we can keep setting it. For this, I need to write I is equal to I plus 1. So this will increment my initial point, or you can say this will increment my counter variable. Now if I run this program, this will show me counting from 1 to 20, as you can see in the output window. It will show me counting from 1 to 20. So in this way, you can use while loop in Python. In the next program, I will teach you some more complex programs with while loop. Till then, keep subscribing, keep liking my videos. Thank you very much.